So, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's have a look at it. It's pretty bad on the arches, but we all knew that was going to happen. It was pretty obvious. Some lovely welding in on there. Not too bad around that window. We have these seat brackets bodged in really nicely. Bit of a hole there. Rear turret. This side seems to be okay. That side, not so much. The front looks a little bit like that. Swiss cheese. But the floor pans on a whole are okay. Inner front wings are going to require a fair amount of work. But the front panel, I think, is pretty damn bad. I mean, it's repairable, but a replacement would be better. So a nice repair there. And a little bit under the battery tray. A little there. Same this side, although we have this weird cut. I've been having loads of fun. Not sure what that's about. That one was full of filler. A surprise little hole behind the brake cable bracket. This side's much the same. I've got a patch over the top there. I've got a patch on the inner sill there, and part of the middle sill missing. The rear turret's going to need a repair. And the rest of it's not so bad. So I've turned her on the spit, so we can have a look at the underneath. Like I said, the floor pans are pretty straight. A little bit in here and there. now these quarters are all stripped down and clean, we can start getting it ready for a coat of epoxy. But first, we better start removing this sand. I like to use a little bit of back tan on the areas that have started to show their ugly faces. Although we tried to get on this as soon as the sandblaster was gone, some of this rust just comes back so fast. For the initial layer on the car, we're going to be using MacLeod epoxy primer, which is nice and durable and will bond to the steel as good as anything. as you can see, the panels came out really clean. Barely any rust. The only thing we've got really is a tiny bit there. Focus there. Like my knee cutting out, but this door's lovely. You should see it. Look how clean the bottom of that door is. Really good. The boot lid's a bit of a disaster. The bottom of the window lip, it's gone. The bonnet's fine. The bonnet's fine. A little bit of surface rust, so we've got a bit of vac tan in some of the edges. But all in all, I think it's good. Just got these new DeVilbiss primer guns. We're going to test them out right now. And there we have it, guys. Everything is coated in epoxy. Thanks for watching. We'll start metalwork soon.